Aiko, did Santa came?
Yep.
Yeah, come.
Papa heard him.
Oh yeah?
And Aiko
Oh
was
no.
here.
Can they open, Sean?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Come on.
'Cause it's too early.
Yeah. Oh wow.
I forgot. We don't
Did Santa come? Did he eat the cookies?
Yes, but he must have. Did you see him like to play in the cup?
Oh, he must have had him in the chair over
And there's
there.
candy.
He left a whole bowl of candy.
What?
And the list, Mama.
The list?
Look, candy. I think these are all the stuff you bought.
Wow. Look at this, huh?
Last Christmas, they were all little boxes. For this Christmas, big boxes.
Uh-huh.
Thank you boxes here. And big one. And why did he even leave candy? Last week he didn't leave candy.
No.
But pirates here.
Pirates.
And Black Giant. And Frosty. Rocky. And Little Frog. Mommy, this is and Lego. Look at here. Oh, that's why.
How do you know that's yours?
Because they have princesses. I'll take this off.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
No. Let's leave it. Wow, look at this, huh?
No, Mommy.
Is that all mine?
You. Hey, Mom, here's one for me. Maybe I can share one of my presents with you. Wait, Mama. This is for you, Mama.
Ooh, I will open later, Aiko.